Hi lovelies, thank you so much for clicking to watch. My name is Dima. Welcome to my channel. Please do well to click the red subscribe button before you leave, and also turn the bell icon right beside it so you could be notified on my future uploads. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the correct way to make rice water for your hair growth. You may have been making it and using it the wrong way, but I'm here to share with you the very best way to make rice water. Please ensure you watch this video to the end so you could get my points. Keep watching and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Obviously, our first ingredient is rice. An organic rice, to be precise. We all cook and eat rice in our various homes. Most of us don't have the idea that it can be used for hair growth. Rice can actually help your hair in so many different ways. Just a quick background information: studies have found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair them. It even protects hair from future damage. One of the best parts about this beauty product is that it's so easy to make. Many people find rice water to be a beneficial hair treatment. Historical examples suggest that rice water may improve the strength, texture, and growth of hair. Using rice water hair rinse is safe to try at home and may also be used on skin. So I measured out 3 tablespoons of rice. Use any brand and species of rice of your choice. Pour that into a jar and then add very hot water to it. Cover the jar and steep for 8 hours. While that is left to steep for 8 hours, move over to the next process. Our next ingredient is going to be aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent that grows in sunny climates all over the world. The fleshly leaves of this plant contain a gel that has many uses in natural remedies. Very little research has specifically looked at the benefits of aloe vera for hair, but research does indicate that aloe vera could be beneficial in a variety of ways because of its anti-inflammatory actions that may help reduce scalp irritation, moisturizing effects, enzyme and fatty acid content that may help reduce scalp irritation, vitamin C, E, B12, folic acid, and choline content that may help nourish and strengthen hair. Aloe vera is recommended for use if you have oily hair, brittle, dry or damaged hair, curly hair, natural hair. So once I'm done prepping the aloe vera, I will cut to the chase because you already know the drill from my previous videos on aloe vera. So I'm not going to be doing so much on camera because I've shared this countless times on this channel. I've shared with you how to make the aloe vera juice, how to blend them, and its benefits. So I'm not going to be doing all of that in this video. So I'm going to skip a lot just to save some time. So after 8 hours, this is what my rice in the jar looks like, more cloudier than it was. I will go ahead and sieve this by decanting to get my filtrate and then discarding the residue, which is our swollen rice that has doubled in size as a result of being left in liquid for hours. So I'm going to be sieving that into my applicator bottle directly. Next, I transferred the prepped aloe vera juice into it and shook to combine all the ingredients. Aloe vera and rice water are bae. So I'll be demonstrating and explaining how you can use this combo. First, you have to do this on clean hair, that is hair that is already shampooed and conditioned. Follow up with this. Use this to saturate your entire hair strands. In fact, use this to drench your hair. Cover your hair up with a plastic bag or cap to trap some heat. Please make sure you rinse this treatment out with water. Do not leave it in your hair. After rinsing, proceed to moisturize your hair. Please check my community tab for a wash day or hair routine that you can follow. For those of you that may love to ask, please do not store this treatment. Make and use once. Do not store in the refrigerator because it can go bad to the extent that you won't be able to use them again. So make and use once. You can use this treatment once a month if your hair is low in porosity. Take note, once a month. And if your hair is high in porosity, you can use this treatment every week. Be careful not to run into protein overload. When used in excess, this can cause your hair to run into protein overload, meaning too much protein, because rice contains protein, and I'm sure you do not want this for your hair. Rice water can take your hair from 0 to 100 if used correctly. You just have to be careful with it, but if you abuse it, it can mess your hair up. So choose wisely. I have to end this video here. Please, if you have any question for me regarding rice water, please put it down in the comment section below and I will do my best to reply all your comments. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate. Thank you, and thank you again. Please remember to share my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, thumbs up this video, and also turn the bell icon on so you can be notified on my future videos. See you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.